All right, so let's try this question together. All right, so first of all, this is aluminum, oxygen. Then you go to the product side, we have aluminum oxide. So when you are starting, you have to make sure that you are going to represent each of the elements by a letter, right? So we have our aluminum here, plus oxygen. Then the product side, we have aluminum 2, 3 oxide. So this is it. So this is the reactant side and this is the product side, right? So check the left side, then you go to the right side. So I represent this one by the letter A, right? Then this one B and this one C. Now, when you are calculating and there is no plus here, please don't put any letter here because this one, when you put any letter here, it is multiplying what is here and also here, right? But when you are having a plus like this, it is separate. So this is one equation, this is another equation, all right? So I'll check the reactant side. What are some of the elements that you're having here? One, we have aluminum. Two, we have oxygen. Is that clear? Then I'll go to my right side. I have aluminum here. I have oxygen too. All right. So I represent aluminum by letter A. So how many atoms here? We have one. It's not there, but we have one. So 1 times A will give you 1A. So you write your A. Then you go to your oxygen side. We are talking about the left side. So you go to the oxygen. Oxygen has how many atoms? 2. So 2 times B will give you 2B. It's equal to 2B. All right. Then you move to the right side. What are we having here? We are having 2 aluminum. So 2 times C will give you 2C. All right. Then we have our oxygen. We have how many oxygen? 3. So 3 times C will give you 3C. All right. Then when you are done, you come and write your equation nicely. So we have aluminum. A is equal to what? 2C. First one, A is equal to 2C. Then oxygen, 2B is equal to 3C. 2B is equal to 3C. All right. So now, which letter are you going to take? Which letter are you going to equate it into 1 or 2? Any letter that you can equate it to 1 or 2, then you choose it. So with this one, I will choose C. Because if I choose C, it will be simple for me. So I will choose C. So let C is equal to 1. Let C is equal to 1. So wherever I will see C, I will put my 1 there. Is that clear? So let's take the first example, the first equation. A is equal to 2C. Is that clear? So A is equal to 2 times 1 because our C is 1. So A is equal to what? 2. Is that clear? Now let's go to the second equation. We have 2B is equal to 3C. All right. So I know that my C is 1. So I'm going to solve for my C. Sorry, for the B. So 2B is equal to 3 times 1. Right. So 2B will give you what? 2B is equal to 3. Is that clear? Then you divide both sides by 2. Both sides by 2. So 2 will cancel 2. Then our B is equal to 3 over 2. Is that clear? All right. So we are going to put it into the equation. Then we solve it if and check if it is balanced. So let's write our chemical reaction here. So Al plus O2 will give you Al2O3. All right. So this is the A, this is the B, and this is the C. Then we know that our A is what? Our A is 2. So you put your 2 here. Then our B is 3 over 2. Don't worry, it is fraction, so you just write it. All right. Then our C is what? is 1, so you will not write the 1. Now, we get fraction. So we are going to break it down. When you are solving and we don't get fraction, it is okay. But when we get fraction, this is how we break it down. So when we get fraction, we call something the LCD, the lowest common denominator. Now, 3 over 2, when you take 3 over 2, the lowest common denominator is what? It's 2, because the 2 can cancel the 2 here and also can multiply the equation. So you will use 2. So first one, you are going to use 2 to multiply all the atoms that is in front of the equation here. So 2 times the 2 here, we are going to use 2 to multiply the equation. All right, and also here 2 times. Then there is C 2 times. All right, the 2 here can cancel these 2. So these 2 can cancel this one. Then it left with the 3, right? Now, 2 times 2 will give you 4. 4, right? So we have 4 aluminium. Then we have 3 oxide here. Sorry, this is 2. Will give you 2Al2O3. All right, now let's check if the equation is balanced. Here we are having 4 aluminium here. We are having 4 aluminium. Now let's go to this side if it is balanced. 2 times 2 will give you what? 4. Is that clear? All right, so it is balanced. Now let's check the oxygen. We are having 2 times 3, right? Oh, sorry, this is plus. We are having 2 times 3 will give you what? 6. Now, oxygen, we have 2 times 3 will give you what? 6. So it means that the equation is balanced. All right, so if you find it helpful, make sure you like it and then you share as well. If you're having any trouble, you can contact me on WhatsApp and you can tell me, then I'll explain further to you. All right.